with simplysimplestamping.com. Thanks so much for joining me for today's 2-minute tip. Hey, I want to share with you a great tip on how to save your trimmer blades. I recently discovered that glimmer paper, although we love it, is kind of hard on those blades and it can dull them real quick. So you notice that I wrote the word glimmer on the top of my cutting blade. So I'm only going to use this one for glimmer paper so that as it gets dull, it's not going to interfere with my regular paper. Guys, glimmer paper is very rough. In fact, it almost feels like sandpaper, and that's why it's so hard on that blade. When you go to cut your glimmer paper, flip it over. That way it's going to save your blade a little bit. So let's say we just want to do a quick cut. I can cut with that blade. It's a little bit better on it when you're upside down. Now let me share with you how to remove that blade so you can store it away. And it's right down here at the bottom. Do you see this little notch that's out of the paper trimmer? Slide your blade right in there and it's going to pop right out. Now, flip your paper trimmer over, and did you know you have a wonderful little compartment here? I can take that glimmer blade. I'm going to go ahead and snap that protector that comes on it. I'm going to store that one right there, close it up. I'm now ready to add my cutting blade back in. I simply pop it in and I'm good to go. Guys, I hope today's tip was helpful and it's going to help you kind of preserve your cutting blades and get more use out of them. So thanks so much for tuning in today. Have a great day, my friends. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.